Good morning to students. Today our class is going on the explanation of how to prepare the single column or simple column cash book. How to prepare the simple cash book or single column cash book. It is also known as cash account. It is also known as cash account. Simple column cash book or single column cash book or cash account is the same, except whenever cash book is used, write the LF number, ledger folio number, or write the title of the cash book, LF column, or cash account, JF column. This is the difference between cash account and cash book. Whenever used the heading cash book, you must be in third column, date, particulars, LF should be mentioned whenever the heading is used cash book. Whenever the heading is used as cash account, in this LF column, you must write JF, journal folio number, cash account, JF column, cash book, LF number. So otherwise, the total cash book and cash account is the similar principles. In debit side, recorded receipts of cash, and in credit side, payments of cash is to be recorded. So cash account rule, debit the receipts, credit the payments. Cash account is the example for the real account. Cash account is the example for the real account. So real account means, real account includes all types of cash, all types of assets. Fixed assets, that means tangible assets, intangible assets, and current assets. The cash is included in the current assets. Cash is used in the current assets. So simple cash book or single column cash book or cash account is the same. Recorded debit side, cash receipts. Recorded on credit side of cash book, cash payments. So whenever cash received is recorded in debit side of cash book, whenever cash paid is recorded in credit side of cash book. So the principle of cash book is debit the receipts and credit the payments. Receipts are recorded in debit side and payments are recorded in credit side. So cash account is the cash book or cash account is the example for real account. The cash account principle is debit the receipts and credit the payments. So prepare the single column cash book from the following transactions. 2014 February 1st, Ravi commenced the business with a cash of rupees 1 lakh. Entry, cash account letter to capital account. Next order, goods purchased for cash 30,000. Journal entry, purchase account to cash account. And fifth one, goods sold for cash account to sales account. Commission paid 1,000. Commission account to cash account. Cash deposited into bank 10,000. Bank account to cash account. And February 15th, electricity charges paid. Electricity charges account to cash account. 17th, telephone bill rupees 500. Telephone bill account to cash account, being telephone bill paid. 20th, furniture purchased 2,000. Furniture account to cash account. 25th, goods sold to Ramya 4,000. The 25th transaction is not recorded in cash book or cash account because of goods sold to Ramya. That means the goods sold is treated as credit sales to the Ramya. So because the goods sold to Ramya, in this transaction cash and check is not given. So for cash is not given. Whenever goods sold and mention the person name and also cash is not given, it will be treated as credit sales to that person or customer. So goods sold to Ramya is goods sold on credit basis. The credit transaction is not recorded because of this entry is not included the cash account. Entry lo cash untene adi debit side unte debit side record avuti. Entry lo cash credit side unte credit side record avuti. So entry lo cash lekapothe that type of transaction is not recorded in cash book. So cash withdrawn from bank, cash account dated to bank account, cash received from Ramya, cash account dated to Ramya account, cash withdrawn for personal use, drawings account dated to cash account. So all receipts, all cash receipts are recorded in debit side, all cash payments are recorded in credit side of the cash book. The first transaction, Ravi commenced the business with a cash of rupees 1 lakh. Cash account data to capital account, cash account data unto cash account data. So cash debit loan, so cash account low, cash book and the cash account and the same meaning. So cash book debit side, opposite loan right, cash account data to capital account, cash account data, cash book low debit side, opposite loan about this call, opposite loan ledger account, capital account this call. 2014 February 1st, 2014 February 1st, to capital account. To capital account, amount 1 lakh. Next, third date, goods purchased for cash entry. Purchase account data to cash account. To means credit. So cash book credit side. By purchases opposite loan what is called purchase account data to cash account. Cash credit loan. So cash book credit side or debit side on the purchase is called credit side. Date 2014 February 3rd. By purchases account, amount 30,000. Next, fifth date, goods sold for cash, rupees 50,000. Cash account data to sales account. So cash account data, cash debit side, debit low. Fifth date, opposite loan what is called to sales account, amount 50,000. Next, 10th date, commission paid. Commission is the nominal account, expenditure. Commission account data to cash account, to cash account, cash credit loan. So credit side, by commission record share. 10th date, by commission account. Amount 1,000. Next, cash deposited into bank, cash paid into bank, cash deposited into bank, cash remitted to the bank, cash sent to the bank. These are all transactions in the same meaning. The cash is available in the business, is deposited into bank. So cash deposited into bank means business house loan cash ni bank account lo deposit a bank account got related to business. That bank account is in the name of is under name of per name business పేరు మీద ఉన్న bank account లో డిపాజిట్ చేస్తున్నట్టు. So cash deposited into bank account data to cash account, to cash credit loan. So credit side record చేయాలి, opposite to debit side ఉన్న what is called by bank account, date 12th date. Bank account date to cash account, cash credit loan got credit side by bank account. Cash deposited into bank, cash paid into bank, cash remitted to the bank, cash is sent to the bank. At the same meaning, the cash is available in the business is deposited into bank account, amount 10,000. Next, electricity charges. Charges means expenditure. So name of the expenditure, title of the expenditure debited and paid in form of cash is credited. Cash credit side. Electricity account data to cash account, to cash account. So cash book credit side, 15th date by electricity account. Amount 2,000. Next, 17, telephone bill. This is also nominal account, expenditure name. Telephone charges are telephone bill account to cash account. Telephone account data to cash account 17. Credit side by telephone bill account. Amount 500. Furniture purchase. Furniture account data to cash account. To cash means cash credit look. So cash book credit side by furniture account 28th date. By furniture account. Furniture account data to cash account being furniture purchase. So 2,000. Next, goods sold to Ramya. This is the credit transaction, credit sales too. But we are preparing the cash book. So only cash transactions are recorded. Whenever cash received is recorded in debit side, whenever cash paid is recorded in credit side. But here is no cash transaction. Goods sold to Ramya. This is the goods sold on credit to Ramya. That means so not recorded. 25th is the not recorded because of credit transaction. Next 26, cash withdrawn from bank. Cash account data to deposit reverse side. Cash deposited into bank. Bank account to cash account. Cash withdrawn from bank. But purpose is not mentioned. For business purpose, that means also for official purpose or personal purpose. Whenever the personal purpose is not mentioned in the cash withdrawn from bank, it will be treated as cash withdrawn for office purpose. So depositing reverse side ఉంటుంది. ఇందాక బిజినెస్ లో క్యాష్ బ్యాంక్ లో డిపాజిట్ చేసాం, ఇప్పుడు బ్యాంక్ లో క్యాష్ డ్రా చేసి మళ్ళీ బిజినెస్ లోకి తీసుకొస్తున్నాం, బిజినెస్ పర్పస్ కి యూజ్ చేసుకుంటున్నాం. రివర్స్ డిపాజిట్ కి బ్యాంక్ అకౌంట్ టు క్యాష్ అకౌంట్, withdrawn from bank for office purpose కి cash account to bank account. Cash account data అంటున్నాం, cash debit side. So debit side 26 to bank account. Opposite లో ఉన్న వర్డ్ తీసుకుంటాం, to bank account. Amount 2000. Next, cash received from Ramya. Cash account data to Ramya account. So debit side to Ramya account. Amount 3000. Next, cash withdrawn for personal use. Drawings account data to cash account. Personal, private, domestic, household and any family relative purpose. The cash is withdrawn by the proprietor for his personal, for his family purpose is called as drawings. Drawings account data to cash account. To cash, cash credit side ఉంది. So cash book lo credit side 28th date by drawings account. By drawings account, amount 500. So the transactions are fully recorded in the cash book. Next, how to balance the ledger account. Already I explained previous class in preparation of different ledger accounts. So highest amount in which amount is highest, debit side or either the credit side, highest amount is totaled in both sides of the ledger account. So cash book, single column cash book or cash account is the same meaning. So debit and credit side, debit amount 1,55,000 is the highest than the credit balance. The highest total amount is recorded in both sides of the ledger account. So 1,55,000 debit side highest. This is the amount recorded as the total of the cash book, 1,55,000. And subtracted the credit side amount. The balance is to be taken as balance carried down. Credit side less amounts, highest one amount two sides total చేయాలి, less amount side తక్కువ ఉన్న వైపు balance carried down చేయాలి. So debit side highest ఉంది కాబట్టి debit total two sides total చేసాం, credit లో తక్కువ ఉంది కాబట్టి credit side balance carried down చేయాలి, by balance carried down. So month ending date February 28th. So carried down amount ఎలా వస్తుంది, ఈ టోటల్ 1,55,000 నుంచి క్రెడిట్ సైడ్ ఉన్న అమౌంట్ టోటల్ చేసి ఈ టోటల్ లో నుంచి మైనస్ చేయాలి. క్రెడిట్ లో ఉన్న ఐటమ్స్ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ టోటల్ చేయండి ఫస్ట్. ఈ టోటల్ ని టోటల్ లో ఉన్న టోటల్ కాలం లో ఉన్న 1,50,000 ని మైనస్ చేయండి. సో దట్ balance carried down means the difference between and debit and credit amounts. Debit and credit amounts, the difference of debit and credit accounts is recorded as balance carried down. The highest amount recorded in both sides and the less amount side is taken as balance carried down. So 31, 41, 43, 45, 46. 1,55,000 minus 46,000. 1,09,000 is the balance carried down. 5. Next, opposite side. Next month first date, March 1st. Two balance brought down. So highest ఉన్నది two sides total చేయాలి, తక్కువ ఉన్న వైపు less amount side balance carried down చేయాలి. Balance carried down కి reverse side balance brought down. Balance carried down total కి పైన ఉంటుంది, balance brought down opposite side లో total కి కింద రాసుకోవాలి. క్యారీ డౌన్ లో ఉండే అమౌంట్ నే బ్రాడ్ డౌన్ గా తీసుకోవాలి 1,09,000. సో సింపుల్ క్యాష్ బుక్ ఆర్ సింగిల్ కాలమ్ క్యాష్ బుక్ ఆర్ క్యాష్ అకౌంట్ ఆర్ the three items are the same meaning. Cash receipts are recorded in debit side, cash payments are recorded in credit side. The cash book or single column cash account, cash column is always highest in debit side. సో ఏ సమ్ తీసుకున్నా క్యాష్ అకౌంట్ అన్నప్పుడు, సింగిల్ కాలమ్ క్యాష్ అకౌంట్ అన్నప్పుడు బ్యాంక్ అకౌంట్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తే డెబిట్ అయినా హైయెస్ట్ రావచ్చు, క్రెడిట్ అయినా హైయెస్ట్ రావచ్చు. బట్ క్యాష్ అకౌంట్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తే మాత్రం క్యాష్ కాలం మాత్రం ఆల్వేస్ డెబిట్ సైడ్ హైయెస్ట్ రావాలి. అదర్వైజ్ టూ సైడ్స్ ఈక్వల్ అవ్వాలి, అంతేగాని క్రెడిట్ సైడ్ మాత్రం హైయెస్ట్ ఉండదు. సో క్యాష్ అకౌంట్ ఈజ్ ఆల్వేస్ హైయెస్ట్ ఆర్ అదర్వైజ్ ఈక్వల్, బోత్ సైడ్స్ ఈక్వల్ గా ఉంటుంది. సో మనకి లెడ్జర్ అకౌంట్ ఎక్కడ హైయెస్ట్ అయిన అమౌంట్ టూ సైడ్స్ టోటల్ చేస్తాం. తక్కువ ఉన్న వైపు లెస్ ఉన్న సైడ్, లెస్ అమౌంట్ ఉన్న సైడ్ బై బ్యాలెన్స్ క్యారీడ్ డౌన్ వస్తుంది. సో క్రెడిట్ సైడ్ తక్కువ ఉంది కాబట్టి బై బ్యాలెన్స్ క్యారీడ్ డౌన్. సో దానికి ఆపోజిట్ డెబిట్ సైడ్ బ్యాలెన్స్ బ్రాడ్ డౌన్. ఓకే, క్యాష్ బుక్ ఆర్ క్యాష్ అకౌంట్ ఈస్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫర్ రియల్ అకౌంట్. Cash receipts are recorded in debit side and all cash payments are recorded in credit side. This is the preparation of the single column or simple cash book or cash account. Thank you.